Modern Ford Focus models from 2019 to 2025 feature sophisticated dashboard warning systems with digital or hybrid analog digital displays. These advanced systems provide clear, color coded alerts to help you understand your vehicle's status. Ford Focus dashboard lights use a standardized color coding system. Red lights indicate immediate action is required, and you should stop driving safely as soon as possible. Amber or yellow lights signal caution and that service is needed soon. Green and blue lights provide informational status about various systems. Critical red warning lights require immediate attention. These include engine temperature warning for overheating, oil pressure warning for lubrication failure, battery or charging system alerts, brake system warnings, and power steering failure indicators. If any red light appears, stop driving safely as soon as possible. Amber or yellow warning lights indicate caution and that service should be scheduled soon. These include the check engine light for emissions or engine management issues, ABS warning for anti-lock brake problems, airbag system alerts, tire pressure monitoring warnings, and transmission system indicators. While not immediately critical, these should be addressed promptly. Green and blue lights provide informational status about various vehicle systems. These include turn signal indicators, high beam status, and cruise control engagement. These lights simply confirm that systems are active and functioning normally. Modern Ford Focus models integrate with the Ford Pass app, allowing remote monitoring of your vehicle's health and warning light status. Always consult your owner's manual for specific symbols and recommended actions, as some indicators may be model-specific or require particular procedures for your vehicle year. When dashboard warning lights appear, your response time can mean the difference between a minor repair and a major breakdown. Understanding the urgency levels is critical for vehicle safety. Red warning lights indicate immediate danger and require stopping safely within 30 seconds. These include engine overheating, oil pressure loss, and brake system failures. Amber or yellow warning lights require attention but allow more time. Seek professional diagnosis within 100 miles of activation to prevent costly repairs. The financial impact of ignoring warning lights is significant. Studies show that immediate response to red warnings costs an average of $456, while ignoring them leads to repairs averaging $2,847. The check engine light is the most misunderstood dashboard warning. Despite representing 45% of all dashboard warnings, many drivers ignore it, not realizing it can indicate serious emissions or engine management issues. The future of dashboard warning systems is rapidly evolving. Emerging technologies will revolutionize how drivers interact with vehicle diagnostics and maintenance alerts. Augmented reality displays will project warning information directly onto the windshield. Voice integration will provide spoken alerts, while artificial intelligence will learn driving patterns and predict maintenance needs before failures occur. Over-the-air updates will allow manufacturers to add new warning light definitions and diagnostic capabilities without visiting a service center. This connectivity will enable real-time fleet data analysis for improved reliability. Staying informed and proactive with dashboard warning lights can prevent 65% of major mechanical failures. Regular attention to these signals ensures vehicle longevity and keeps repair costs manageable.